I'm Carol Harrison. I'm a real estate agent with Coldwell Banker here in Easton, Maryland. I have been a real estate agent for 3.5 years. My husband and I moved here from New Jersey. We followed our boat, as many people do in this area, and Easton was sort of a happy surprise for us, and all of a sudden realized that we had made the best decision of our lives, and we fell so in love with this area that I wanted other people to know about it and wanted to become a real estate agent. I think what's really special about this area for retirees or for people who come here to work is that the amount of community involvement is fantastic. I had spent my career with people. I love people. I was in sales, and yet I felt like I had missed a lot because I was so busy in my career and with my children. And when I came here, I wanted to jump in with both feet, and I have done it with a vengeance, and the payback has been enormous. I've done a lot of relos for people who are often retiring. I also have done a lot of first-time home buyers. I know we drove our real estate agent a little crazy and looked all over the Eastern Shore when we were looking, and I'm willing to do that too. I'm in it for the long haul. That's important to me, to build that relationship. It's just, and I love looking at houses, so I love my job. My bargaining chip is that I never give up, and my job and my mission is to find you the house that makes you the happiest. I'm Carol Harrison, and you can reach me at 856-498-6286. That's my cell phone. You can also reach me at our office at 410-822-9000. And my email address is charrison@cbchesapeake.com. Come to the Eastern Shore. It's amazing.